An investor who wants to invest in your property could be located somewhere else, and when he searches on Google or when he sees on Instagram a post from maybe his hometown, he becomes interested in buying that property. And when he is looking for an agent online who can help him buy that property, you come up. That is how the business is changing. That is how the possibilities are changing. Are you ready for the game? Are you ready for this fun and exciting game of hyper growth by getting online, by coming online? So what are the things that you really need to do to take the full advantage that COVID gives us? Hello friends, welcome back to Real Estate Websites and Marketing Show with me, Sawan Kumar. Here with me, marketing no longer remains to be a puzzle for you, technology no longer a trouble for you, and getting online, scaling online becomes easy. All of us want this. In today's time, all of us want to grow online, grow digitally. COVID hit us all at once. None of us were ready. I was not ready. You were not ready. None of us was ready to take the effects, take the impact that COVID had. And because we were not ready, even our businesses were not ready. And because our businesses were not ready to take the impact of COVID, a lot of things changed. Even though we did not want it to change, a lot of us wanted to not go digital, not transact online, not take our business online, but the business still went digital because of COVID. And because the business went digital, you were forced to think and understand how to go online, what to do online, how to connect with customers, how to connect with clients, invest more money in going online, getting a better website, understanding the importance of social media presence, and a lot more. We got into a lot of things at once, and it also made us understand not only the importance of going online, not only the importance of improving our digital presence, our online presence, our presence on Google, our presence on social media. It also made us understand one thing, was the huge possibilities that this digital world brings for us, the huge opportunities, the geographical boundaries that gets away because of coming online, getting digital. Now your clients and your customers need not be from your locality or your neighborhood, but they can literally be from anywhere. An investor who wants to invest in your property could be located somewhere else, and when he searches on Google or when he sees on Instagram a post from maybe his hometown, he becomes interested in buying that property. And when he is looking for an agent online who can help him buy that property, you come up. That is how the business is changing. That is how the possibilities are changing. Are you ready for the game? Are you ready for this fun and exciting game of hyper growth by getting online, by coming online? So what are the things that you really need to do to take the full advantage that COVID gives us? We can either sit and cry and be sad and feel bad about COVID, or we can take it as an opportunity and do something for ourselves, do something for our business, do something for our family, and just grow. That is what successful people do. They do not cry about the bad days, they make it good. They take it as an opportunity to grow, to get better. So you are also doing this with me today. So what are the things that we need to do to get to a challenging position, to get to a leading position in today's time? So the first and the most important thing is building a competitive website. You need to invest a lot of money and a lot of time to build your digital presence. It is not going to happen as if you were just doing something to, for the sake of doing it. Digital presence is no longer that. You don't have to just build the website for the sake of building it, or you just don't need to have a Facebook page for the sake of having it. You actually need to have a page or a website that works for you. And the best part is, it is going to work for you 24/7. whether you're sleeping or you're awake, you're on holiday, it keeps working for you. It keeps giving client the information that they want. It keeps your leads engaged. What better than this? So start investing in getting a great, the best website that your industry has seen, that the best website that any real estate agent or broker has seen, the best one, because this is the place where people would be searching for you. This is the place where people would be looking for you. So make sure that your digital presence is the best. So you have invested both your time and your money on building a great website, on building a great social media presence. Have an excellent Instagram page, have an excellent Facebook page, have an excellent LinkedIn page, have a great Twitter handle. Be everywhere. Pinterest is awesome for you. So be everywhere, literally everywhere. Invest a lot of money and a lot of time over here as well, because people are on social media a lot. You cannot even imagine how much time people are spending on social media. And if you are not there, if you are not there with your full strength, you are missing the opportunity. So be with your full strength with a website, be with your full strength with a excellent social media presence. Once you have these two things ready, the next thing that is important is you have to have these things consistent. Wherever somebody goes, they find the same branding, they find the same you everywhere. This is really important. When your client or your customer is looking for you online, it should be you who is coming up. Let's say, for an example, your existing client gave your name as a referral to his friend who was looking to buy a property in that same area where he bought the property. Now that referral, that friend goes to Google and looks for your name. And what if you don't come up? He keeps looking for you, but you are nowhere available in the digital space. So what he does is he goes to your competitor. There's another scenario to it. Let's say when he's searching for your name and for the real estate agents in your area, he's trying to, search with different keywords to locate you or your name. Your competitors come up. Now what? Will he be waiting or still trying to look for you, or he will, instead of wasting time and on looking for you, he will go with your competitors. So would you like that? A customer who was ready to be sold, who was willing to buy something, and he went to your competitor. Why? Because you did not have an excellent online presence, but your competitor did. And you lost the sale, you lost the commission, you lost the profit, you lost the business, you lost a client. You cannot be doing that. You have to have a wonderful website, a great social media presence, search engine optimization. That also should be done really well, so that whenever people are looking for agents in your area, in your locality, you are coming up on the top. Your branding is consistent all through. It should be giving the same message that you stand for. Once you have taken care of all of these things, you are now ready to go digital. And please do not do it half-heartedly. Do not do it thinking, okay, let me give it a try. Well, this is the only thing that is working today. This is the only thing that has allowed the businesses to keep going in spite of the toughest times that they have faced. This is the only thing that will keep you moving in the future. Businesses have taken a leap. Are you ready for that? Have you taken that leap? If no, then get on it. Be ready to take actions and be ready to be the best real estate agent in your area. And let the internet see that. Not you. You should not be saying that. The internet, the Google, the social media platforms should be saying that you are the best. Let it say. It would only say when you become active there. You get active there. You become responsible over there. Wish you all the very best from me, Sawan Kumar. And if you have any questions about building a great website to building a great social media presence, come back to me and I'll be helping you with all of those. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.